Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this, what we're going to show you is basically this EVO. It's an 04, and when we have the car on, them three lights there keep flashing, as you can see. So to get a better view, there you go. Okay, so basically that, let me turn that off. The problem with that is the pump, which is this fault code here, 82. It's the AYC pump, which basically spreads oil, turns oil within the diff, it kind of recirculates it, and it's basically located here on the rear side and underneath here. It's them two bolts, and the pump is literally just there, as you can see. That's the pump there. So them two bolts come off and the pump is there. And the hefty thing here is you can buy a refurb one for about a couple, well, I say a couple, you know, 700-800 quid, maybe more, maybe less, but that's what you're looking at. You can obviously, they can refurb yours as well for that similar price, to be fair, but that's what you need to do, and you will get that fault code on the diagnostic machine as well, and you will always have the lights here pinging on there like we did here. So you will always get that. But yeah, that's where the fault is, and there are people on eBay that can refurb it, or if you go online, there are many different companies that will do it as well. Depends on, you know, you got to just double check and see what price to do it.